Hi there, welcome to this yoga class. I'm Susie. Today we'll be practicing breath awareness as we go through a series of relaxing postures. Find a comfortable seat. You may cross your legs. If you feel discomfort, sit on a bolster or against a wall or even on a chair. Close your eyes. Begin by taking long, slow, deep breaths. Breathing in fully and breathing out fully. Breathe in through your nose and out through your nose or mouth. Allow your breath to find its own natural rhythm. Bring your full attention to noticing each in-breath as it enters your nostrils, travels down to your lungs, and causes your belly to expand. Feel your ribcage expand from front to back and side to side as you breathe in and out through your nose. Now come to a tabletop position. Shoulders over wrists, hips over knees. Let's begin with a cat and cow stretch. Inhale as you drop the belly, lift the chin, and exhale as you round the back, tucking the chin. Inhale, expand your chest, and exhale, round your back, keeping the hips over the knees. We are warming up the spine. Inhale, tilting the sit bones up, and exhale, tucking the pelvis in. Keep moving, bringing your awareness to the steady rhythm of your breath. Now find a neutral spine and send your hips back over your heels for child's pose. Inhale and shift your weight forward until your shoulders are over your wrists. And exhale, sending your hips back. Inhale forward. And exhale, sending your hips back over your heels. Now let's move in silence. Allow your breath to guide your movements. Inhale, shifting your weight forward one more time. And as you exhale, send your hips back for child's pose and stay here. You can keep your arms extended, and you can place a bolster under your head if that feels good. Settle into this moment as you focus on your breathing. Now rise up, coming into a kneeling position. Place your hands over your hips, and as you inhale, expand your chest, drawing your shoulder blades in together. Try not to crunch your back, but rather puff your chest out. As you exhale, fold forward from the hips, pressing the sit bones back. Inhale, expand the chest for camel pose. And exhale, folding, pressing the hips back. Inhale and push the hips forward. And exhale, pushing the hips back. Keep moving in sync with the natural rhythm of your breath. Now let's find a reclining position. On an inhale, open your arms to the sides. And as you exhale, bring your palms back together. Inhale as you open the arms wide open. And exhale as you bring your palms together. Keep moving in tune with your breath. Notice the stretch in your chest as you open the arms. Breathe into your heart. Feel it expand as you inhale and soften as you exhale. Now let's release the arms to the sides. Extend your right leg up and slowly bend it down. Inhale and extend. Exhale and bend. Inhale, extend your leg as straight as you can, no need to force. And exhale, bend. One more time, inhale and extend your leg, and now hold here. You can wrap your hands around your thigh if that feels good. Put your foot down. Let's repeat on the other side. On an inhale, extend your left leg up, and as you exhale, lower it down. Keep moving, allowing your breath to match your movements. One more inhale, extend, and hold here. Great job, and lower your foot down. Now draw your knees into your chest and bring the soles of your feet together. Grab onto your ankles or shins and slowly draw the feet away from each other and back together. Inhale, open the legs, and exhale, feet come together. Keep moving, allowing your breath to be your guide. Lower your feet over the sides of the mat. The wider your stance, the better. Extend your arms to the sides, and as you inhale, drop your knees to the left, and as you exhale, to the right, keeping your upper body grounded. Inhale to the left, and exhale to the right. Keep moving, matching your breath to your movements. Coming back to center, bring your feet closer, hip distance apart. And deep breath in, lift your hips up for a bridge pose. You can clasp your hands under your hips or keep them on the sides. Lower down, draw your knees into your chest and wrap your arms around your shins. Close your eyes for a deeper relaxation. We'll end this practice in corpse pose. Extend your legs straight. You can place a bolster under the knees to make it more comfortable. Shift all of your attention onto your breathing, taking slower, deeper breaths. Take a deep breath in through your nose and letting it out through your mouth. Feel your lungs expand as you inhale and contract as you exhale. Settle into the stillness, focusing only on your breath as it flows through your nose. Repeating a deep breath cycle can trigger a relaxation response. It's the opposite of the fight or flight stress response. So taking deep, conscious breaths during the day can tell your body to relax and allow your mind to be at ease. Now slowly open your eyes and come to a seated position. Remember to take what you practiced on the mat today with you into your daily life. I hope you enjoyed this practice, and I'll see you soon.